show you how I make spaghetti with hot dog. So first you're gonna boil the spaghetti. Now when you're boiling your spaghetti, you don't want to boil it without flavor because the spaghetti doesn't have any flavor. So you have to add flavor as you're boiling it and don't wait until it's cooked for you to start adding flavor. So as it's boiling, I have this spaghetti mix spice that I add in there. So it has nice herbs and spices. You want garlic in your spaghetti, oregano, all of those things. They add great flavor. So I just drained the pasta and now I'm adding some of ground beef. This is all organic ground beef. Gives it a nice flavor. Then I'm going to add the hot dog. When I'm making my spaghetti, I don't add too much oil because it's not healthy. It's not juicy. I don't like juicy spaghetti. Hopefully the sound is good, guys. I've been having problems with sound. So this is a very good recipe. Then I'm adding some ham. It's a matter of building flavor. That's the beef that I use, the ground beef. So it's all it's ground chuck beef, all organic. Alright guys, so as this is cooking, I'm adding thyme, some fresh tomatoes from my garden, and some red bell pepper. And this one you can add a little bit of salt. And make sure that when you're boiling the spaghetti, you add salt as well. And you don't want it to be too salty, so you want it to be, you want to add your salt gradually. You taste, when you're cooking, it's a matter of tasting. Alright guys, at this point, it's perfectly ready. I'm going to put the spaghetti in there and mix it. That's why it's good to add some oil when you're cooking it. That way it's easy to, like after you cook it, otherwise it's going to get stuck together. You can use like a fork to incorporate this. And I have some fresh Parmesan cheese that I grated. Make sure you fish out your pepper, that way it doesn't break, and also any stick of the thyme we have here. You can take it out. Alright guys, now I'm plating the spaghetti. And then I'm going to add some of the Parmesan cheese on top. Sprinkle it with a little Parmesan cheese. And this beauty here is ready. I'm ready to dig in. See what I can find fork here. This smells so good. Amazing. How's the spaghetti, bear? Delicious. Okay, here, Daddy. Chef Jojo, make sure you got my spaghetti spice.